Hello, and a very warm welcome to all of our lovely listeners today.
I am so incredibly happy to see you sitting here with me, Anna.
I would not miss this for anything in the whole world today.
We have such a special topic to share with everyone who is listening.
Health and fitness are things that touch every single part of our lives.
That is so true, because without our health, we have very little.
Many people feel like they are too busy to take care of themselves.
I hear that excuse from almost everyone I talk to these days.
We want to show you that being healthy does not have to be hard.
It is all about the small choices we make from morning until night.
Let us start by talking about the situation we all face right now.
Most of us are sitting down for more than 8 hours every day.
That is very dangerous for our hearts and for our posture as well.
I notice that my back starts to hurt after sitting for too long.
That is your body telling you that it needs to move around.
My body is very loud when it wants to complain about my chair.
We should try to stand up and stretch every 30 minutes if possible.
Does that really make a big difference for our long-term health, Anna?
Yes, it keeps the blood flowing and it helps your brain stay awake.
I should set a timer on my phone to remind me to stand up.
That is a wonderful idea that anyone can start doing right this minute.
I never thought that such a small thing could be so helpful.
Fitness is not just about going to the gym for 2 hours daily.
That is a relief because I don't have 2 hours to spend there.
You can get a great workout just by walking fast to the store.
I try to take the stairs instead of the elevator whenever I can.
That is exactly the kind of habit that builds a strong heart.
It makes me breathe a little bit harder, but I feel much better.
Feeling your heart beat fast is a sign that you are alive.
Let us talk about the food we see in the grocery stores now.
There is so much processed food that is full of hidden sugar today.
It is very difficult to choose healthy options when we are in a rush.
Many companies make their food look healthy when it is actually not good.
So we really need to read the labels on the back of boxes.
Exactly. You should look for ingredients that you can actually recognize and say.
If I cannot say the word, I probably should not be eating it.
That is a very good rule to follow when you are shopping.
What do you think about the trend of drinking green juice every morning?
Green juice is fine, but eating the whole vegetable is much better.
I suppose the fiber in the vegetable is very important for our digestion.
Yes, fiber helps you feel full so you don't eat too many snacks.
I am very guilty of eating snacks while I'm watching a movie.
We all do that sometimes because it is very relaxing to eat snacks.
Maybe I should switch my potato chips for some crunchy carrots instead.
That would be a massive win for your vitamin intake every single day.
I also heard that drinking water can help you lose some extra weight.
Water is the most important drink that you can put into your body.
I don't drink enough water because I often forget to carry my bottle.
You should try to drink a big glass of water as soon as you wake up.
I usually go straight for the coffee as soon as I'm awake.
You can have your coffee, but drink the water first to hydrate.
That sounds like a fair deal that I can actually manage to do.
Now, let us discuss how much sleep we are getting these days.
I think social media is stealing a lot of sleep from many people.
We scroll through our phones and we don't realize how late it is.
I looked at my phone at 10 and suddenly it was midnight.
That blue light tells your brain that it is still daytime outside now.
No wonder I feel so tired when my alarm goes off in the morning.
You should try to put your phone away 1 hour before you sleep.
What should I do during that hour if I'm not using my phone?
You could read a book or listen to some very calm music.
I used to love reading books before I became so busy with work.
Reading is a great way to relax your mind and prepare for rest.
I might fall asleep after only 2 pages of a good book.
That is actually a good thing if you need to catch up on sleep.
I want to ask you about lifting weights for people who are older.
It is never too late to start building some muscle in your body.
I thought lifting weights was only for young people at the gym.
Muscle helps protect your bones and it keeps your metabolism very high.
So I will burn more energy even when I'm just sitting down?
Yes, that is the magic of having a little bit more muscle mass.
I think I will buy some small dumbbells for my living room.
You can use them while you are watching your favorite television show.
That is a great way to make productive use of my time.
We should also mention that mental health is part of being fit.
If your mind is stressed, your body will feel very tired and weak.
Stress creates a hormone called cortisol, which can make you gain weight.
So that is why I want to eat chocolate when I'm stressed.
Yes, your body is looking for a quick way to feel happy again.
We need to find better ways to handle the stress of daily life.
Taking deep breaths for 5 minutes can lower your stress very quickly.
I will try to do that when my boss sends me a difficult email.
That is a perfect time to practice your deep breathing exercises.
I feel more relaxed just thinking about taking deep breaths now.
It is amazing how much power we have over our own physical state.
Many people think they need a lot of money to be healthy.
That is a common mistake because walking and breathing are totally free.
And cooking at home is usually much cheaper than eating at restaurants.
You can buy beans and rice and vegetables for a very low price.
I guess I don't have any more excuses to be unhealthy.
We don't want you to feel guilty. We want you to feel empowered.
I feel like I can start making these changes starting from today.
That is the spirit we want all of our listeners to have right now.
I am actually looking forward to my vegetable dinner tonight.
Make sure you add some spices to make it taste really delicious.
I love using garlic and ginger when I'm cooking my food.
Those are excellent choices because they are very good for your immunity.
It's like medicine that tastes good and makes you feel strong.
Exactly. Food should be something that gives you life and energy.
I want to talk about the importance of having a workout partner.
Having a friend to exercise with makes it much more fun for everyone.
You don't want to let your friend down by staying in bed.
So the social pressure actually helps you stay on the right track.
It really does, and you can talk while you are doing your exercise.
Just make sure you are not talking so much that you stop moving.
That is a very good point. We must keep the heart rate up.
What is one piece of advice you would give to a total beginner?
I would say that you should not compare yourself to others.
That is so important because everyone starts at a different place.
Just try to be a little bit better than you were yesterday.
I love that advice because it makes the goal feel very reachable.
I used to look at athletes and feel very sad about myself.
Those athletes have been training for many years to reach that level.
I need to remember that my journey is my own and nobody else's.
You are the captain of your own ship on this healthy journey.
I am ready to sail toward the land of energy and good health.
We should also talk about the dangers of sitting with bad posture.
My mother always told me to sit up straight when I was a child.
Your mother was right because it helps you breathe much better.
When I slouch, I feel like I cannot get enough air into my lungs.
It also makes you look more confident when you stand up very tall.
I want to look confident and feel healthy at the same time.
Did you know that smiling can actually improve your mood and health?
I have heard that, but I don't always feel like smiling at work.
Even a fake smile can trick your brain into feeling a bit happier.
I will try smiling at my computer screen and see what happens.
Your coworkers might think you are a little bit strange, but that is okay.
as long as I am healthy and happy, I don't mind being strange.
That is a very healthy way to look at the world, James.
We should also mention that we need to be patient with our bodies.
Change does not happen overnight. It takes time for the body to adapt.
Many people quit after 1 week because they don't see a six-pack.
It takes much longer than a week to build a strong body.
We must enjoy the process of becoming healthy instead of just the result.
I enjoy the feeling of my muscles being a little bit sore after exercise.
That soreness is like a trophy for all of your hard work.
It means you have challenged yourself and you are growing much stronger.
I am starting to like the idea of being a little bit sore.
Just make sure you don't push yourself so hard that you get an injury.
Listening to your body is a very important skill to learn early on.
If something hurts in a bad way, you should stop and rest immediately.
Rest days are just as important as the days when you are training.
Some people think that resting is being lazy, but it is not.
Your muscles actually grow while you are resting and sleeping at night.
That is why we keep saying that sleep is a superpower for fitness.
I am going to make my bedroom a very dark and quiet place.
It should be a temple for your rest and your recovery.
I will remove the television from my bedroom this weekend.
That is a very brave step toward having a much better life.
I want to be the best version of myself for my family, too.
When you are healthy, you have more energy to play with your kids.
And I will be around for a much longer time to see them grow.
That is the best motivation anyone could ever have for staying fit.
It is not just about looking good in a mirror at the gym.
It is about the quality of every single minute of your life.
I want to feel light and fast instead of heavy and very slow.
You are already making progress just by having this conversation with me.
Talking about it makes me feel like I am already an athlete.
Maybe we should go for a run after we finish this podcast.
Let us start with a very long walk and see how we feel.
That sounds like a perfect plan for a beautiful afternoon like this.
I hope our listeners are feeling as motivated as I am right now.
Even if you only change one small thing, we are very proud of you.
I wonder what the first thing our listeners will change today.
Maybe they will drink a glass of water or go for a walk.
Or maybe they will finally put their phone away before they go to bed.
Whatever it is, it's a step in the right direction for them.
We are like the cheerleaders for everyone's health and fitness journey.
I like that image of us wearing pom-poms and cheering for everyone.
We should do this more often because it is very good for us, too.
Reminding others helps us remember to take care of ourselves as well.
It is easy to give advice, but it is harder to follow it.
That is the truth, but we are all in this together now.
We are not perfect, but we are trying our best every single day.
That is all that anyone can ask of themselves in this busy world.
I feel very lucky to have a friend like you to talk to.
And I feel lucky to have such a great co-host like you.
I think we have covered a lot of ground in this episode.
We talked about movement, food, water, sleep, and even our mental health.
It is a complete package for anyone who wants to start living better.
Don't forget that you are worth the effort it takes to be healthy.
That is a very powerful thought to end our show with today.
You deserve to feel good in your own skin every single day.
I am going to go and drink some water right this second.
I will go and find my walking shoes in the closet.
Thank you so much for sharing your wisdom with us today, Anna.
And thank you, James, for being so open and honest with everyone.
I hope everyone has a very wonderful and healthy week ahead.
We will be back very soon with more tips for your daily glow.
Until then, keep moving and keep smiling as much as you can.
Goodbye to all of our amazing listeners all around the world today.
Goodbye, everyone, and don't forget to take care of your beautiful hearts.
See you in the next episode for more healthy talk.
I am already looking forward to it. See you later, everyone.
Stay active and stay happy because you truly deserve the very best.
I almost forgot to say please subscribe to our podcast show.
Yes, please join our community so we can all grow healthy together.
It is much easier when we all support each other every day.
I really love our community of healthy and happy people.
Okay, now it is really time for us to go for that walk.
Let us go right now while the weather is still very nice.
Goodbye for real this time. Stay healthy and stay strong, friends.